Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to convert the text in a text file into binary format. So let me just close this and I'm going to import the time module first. I might need it, I might not, it depends on how I'm feeling. So we're going to create a path because that file that I just showed you there is on my desktop. So the path to my desktop is the users mark desktop, and then what I've got to do, I have to import the OS module as well. Import OS. So what we're going to do here, we're going to say os.chddir change directory to the path. So now we're in that path. Okay, so now we're going to create the code. So create a function called text. Hello you cat. I'm getting hello. Yeah, cat's appearing on the video. You'll have to get down a minute, Felix, because I'm in the middle of a video. Okay. Okay, text to binary. Text to binary there. And we're going to... Oh, get off my keyboard, Felix. I'll talk to you later. Okay, sorry about that. That's the cat, the kitten. Okay, so we're going to print... convert text to binary. Okay, Felix. Okay, are you there? Okay, let me just okay, hey! And then we're going to do file name is equal to import and simply file name. Felix. Ow. Hey Felix, don't scratch me. Okay, so we got that. Now I'm just gonna have to pause the video a minute. I'm having cat problems. Okay, I think we can continue the video. Okay, so we're going to do with open. So we're going to open the file, and that file was called b.txt, and we're going to open it to read. It's going to be read as file object. Okay, and then we're going to do text contents. I'm going to assign it to file object. Dot read. Okay, and this is where the magic happens. So binary content is going to be equal to dot join, and that's going to be in there format board char, and after char we're going to do 08b, and then that's going to be for, we're going to loop through it, character char in text contents. Okay, so that's been a pretty bit of a, it's a long line that, so basically the odd char here converts the characters into ASCII integer values, and it formats the integer into this bit here into 8-bit binary string. And then what we do, we iterate over the text contents and we join them all together into a single string without any separators. Okay, let's go down onto the next line here. And once we've done that, all we have to do, let me just sort that out, is print contents. Hopefully I've not made any typos because I was getting disturbed before. So print contents, which will be binary contents. So let me just get that in there, binary contents. Okay, binary content, not contents. Okay, let's call the program text to binary text to binary there, and let's just run the program. Okay, I'm going to enter a file name which is going to be, let me just make this bigger for you. It's going to be b.txt. Okay, and there you go, we've changed it into binary. So I hope you liked that video, and remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.